It was a tense day at the Federal High Court in Abuja today as the high-profile trial of Nnamdi Kanu continues. From explosive revelations about a smuggled radio transmitter to a public courtroom fallout where Nnamdi Kanu disowned a lawyer named Charles Ude claiming to represent him. Today's session was packed with drama. The DSS presented video clips linking Kanu to Radio Biafra operations, while his defense argued that key confessions were made under duress. In this video, we break down everything that happened in court today, being May 28, 2025. The case of IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu continues today. Here is a comprehensive update on the court proceedings involving the IPOB leader. First, admission of evidence, Radio Biafra transmitter video. The court admitted 3 video clips as evidence, including one showing Nnamdi Kanu inspecting a radio transmitter allegedly smuggled into Nigeria. This transmitter is linked to Radio Biafra broadcasts. The prosecution argues that this broadcast incited violence and unrest in the southeastern region of Nigeria. Then secondly is the testimony of the DSS witness, that is the third witness. A Department of State Service DSS operative testified that Nnamdi Kanu admitted to smuggling the radio transmitter into Anambra State. The defense counsel challenged the admissibility of this confession, arguing that it was obtained under duress. Number 3, you talk about the courtroom incidents. Kanu disowns counsel. During the proceedings, there was a dramatic moment when the IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu publicly disowned one of his defense lawyers in open court. He expressed dissatisfaction with the counsel's representation, leading to a brief disruption before the court resumed. Then the number 4 thing that happened today is the defense challenge trial's legality. Number 4 talk about the defense challenge trial over the legality of the trial of IPOB leader. So the legal team raised objection regarding the legality of the trial, citing jurisdictional issues and alleged violation of legal procedures. They argued that the court lacks the proper jurisdiction to hear the case and that the Kanu's rights have been infringed. Of course, this has been a debate that even before the resumption of this very trial, it's a very heavy argument before the court to know the legality of Nnamdi Kanu's trial, and this has actually sparked a lot of reaction across board. And of course, the upcoming court dates, Justice James Omotosho has also rescheduled additional trial date for May 29th and June 6th, 16th, 18th, and 19th as well, to allow the federal government to close its case finally. So the judge again emphasized the need for an accelerated hearing due to the prolonged nature of the trial and as well the detention of IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu. So as today's proceedings come to an end, it is very clear that the trial of Nnamdi Kanu is entering a critical phase, with the DSS presenting a damning video evidence and the defense raising serious concerns about the legality of his confession, as they cited that it was under duress. So the stakes have continued to be higher, including Kanu's rejection of an unexpected lawyer. So this only adds to the tension surrounding this politically sensitive case. Already, new trial date is set and more witness, that is prosecution witness, are expected. One thing is very certain: the outcome of this case will have lasting implications for the Southeast and the entire country. Like I have always stated, we will be following every development closely, so make sure you like this video, subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next episode of this drama.